My name is Tonzi, and for tonight, I'll be showing you the power of dreams. Yung gaano ka makapangyarihan ng mga panaginip. But before that, baba muna ako. I'll be giving this envelope just to one of our beautiful judges. Good evening po. Yan, can you please hold on to my envelope and don't open it yet. We're going to have to reveal it later. And ma'am, can you put my phone right over here? Yan po. Later on, I'll be revealing those objects and you'll play a very important part. And my watch. Here, Sir Carl. So po, I'll be putting my watch right here. Later on, don't reveal it yet. Later on, it'll be a very important part. So, I'll be explaining the power of dreams. Okay, I have here a crystal case. Inside is an envelope, and inside the envelope, the details of my powerful dream. Nandyan po lahat ng detalye ng aking panaginip na very powerful. Now, what is my dream about? Last night, I was so excited for this competition. I was really overthinking. That's why I had a dream. Noong nanaginip ako, I was talking to a famous person, a celebrity, kilala worldwide. The problem is, the face is blurred. Malabo yung mukha niya. I can't recognize kung sino siya. Pero alam ko, very famous worldwide. Now, that famous person told me and gave me powerful numbers. Mga numbers, powerful numbers. Sabi ng lolo at lola ko, pag nanaginip ka ng numbers, swerte raw yun. Itaya mo raw sa yun. Itaya mo raw sa loto. Alright. So, Adonis, judge number 1. If you were in my dream last night, what do you think is that number? Give me one number between 1 to 60, loto numbers. Yes. Number? Number 10. Okay, we have number 10. Kuya Bon, ako naman nagagawa, ikaw naman yung manonood. Dati ako yung nanonood, ikaw yung gumagawa. Kuya Bon, give me a number, number. A loto number. Number? Number 13. 1-3. Alam ko, birthday mo ata. Pareho kasi tayo ng birthday. Pare-pareho tayo ni Marcus, di ba? 13 for Kuya Bon. Thank you. Kuya Cyrus, can you give me a number?
1 to 60?
Yeah, loto numbers.
45.
45. Parang baril ha, talagang ano ha. 45. Thank you. Who else? You're holding me. Sir Nap! Kuya Nap, can you give me one number?
Wala sa age range ko yung binigay mo.
Kuya Nap, may time limit ako. 7 minutes to.
20.
20. Thank you, Kuya Nap. Maraming salamat. Iinom tayo mamaya. Shot mo, no? 20. Maraming salamat, Kuya Nap. And, Kuya Carl, you have a number?
27.
27 for Carl. Yes, and Sir Alan Soriano, you have a number?
05.
Number?
05.
Number 5. So these are random numbers from random people. All free choices. They are all free choices. Okay, we have 10, 13, 45, 20, 27, and 5. All random numbers. After in my dream, Lolo, na po yung mic. Yun, in my dream po, sa panaginip ko, after talking to that famous person, I woke up. And when I woke up, I really wanted to recognize that important celebrity or famous person. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-concentrate ako. Pagising, thank you. Pagising ko, nag-concentrate ako so that I will know the